In this Paracourse lesson, we're going to use the Kangaroo 2 plugin to put a mesh, which is basically a surface, onto a B-rep or a solid if you want to. And you can see that it's going to uh, be something like a cloth on the surface or the solid. So it's like similar to the drape, but it's more advanced. So if I want to make this, you can see that it's going to also move down as like a cloth, and I can just stop this anytime. So this lesson will help you to understand this. If I want to make a drape command in Rhino, it's a little bit different. So if you just look up at this and type drape and drag a window like this on it, you can see that this is not what we want. So the drape command in Rhino is basically not suitable for making a cloth on a solid or something, but with Kangaroo 2 we can simply just reset that and put that on the solid. So this Paracourse lesson will help you to understand this, and finally you can stop this anytime and bake the mesh and have this in Rhino.